How to keep dog odor out of your house. Those of us who have dogs can attest that they are unending sources of happiness and part of the family. However, they do often leave behind an odor in our homes. Here are some suggestions for tackling dog odor and keeping your house smelling fresh and clean. 1. Vacuum everything. Keeping up with all the shedding fur is a tremendous effort for those of us who own dogs. Anywhere pet hair and dander may be lurking, it's important to vacuum it up. Don't forget your couch cushions, under the furniture, and all the cracks and crevices in the places where your dog likes to lay. 2. Deodorize carpet naturally. Sprinkle baking soda on your carpet before vacuuming instead of using harmful and toxic carpet deodorizers. Baking soda is an excellent odor neutralizer for eliminating smells in your house. Don't forget that baking soda can also be used on couch cushions and pet beds as well. 3. Use white vinegar to mop tile and wood floors. If you have tile or wood floors, cleaning up dog hair and getting rid of the odor is as simple as sweeping and mopping. Vinegar is an excellent natural cleaner to get rid of pet odors. Mix half cup white vinegar with a gallon of lukewarm water and then mop with no rinsing required. 4. Open the windows. Open up your windows whenever the weather allows. Nothing beats pure fresh air for getting rid of dog odor. 5. Air purifier. An air purifier is frequently used to assist those who have breathing issues due to allergies or other conditions. However, pet dander and odors are also removed from your house when using an air purifier. Make sure you purchase one that has a HEPA filter for the best odor elimination results. 6. Dog-safe air purifying plants. Every 24 hours, plants eliminate up to 87% of pollutants from the air. Add air purifying plants to your home to help get rid of dog odors. Some great plant options that are also non-toxic to your furry friends are spider plants, rosemary, gerbera daisies, Boston ferns, and palms. 7. Wash dog beds, blankets, and collars regularly. It's critical to frequently wash every object your pet uses on a daily basis in order to keep dog odor under control. To help get rid of odor, add white vinegar to your washing machine when washing your dog's items. 8. Wash dog toys. Dog toys are oftentimes forgotten when it comes to getting rid of dog odors. Cleaning your dog's toys will keep them fresher smelling and safer for your dog to play with. Put them in a bath of soapy water using Dawn dish soap or a vinegar/water combination. Make sure to rinse them well before giving them back to your dog. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.